Craving a career as craveable as a Crunchwrap Supreme? Let's get you hired at Taco Bell. First, head over to the Taco Bell Careers website. You can find it easily by searching Taco Bell Careers on Google or by going to jobs.tacobell.com. Now, focus on finding the right position for you. Use the keyword search bar to look for specific roles like cashier, cook, or manager, or leave it blank to see all available positions. Then, enter your city, state, or zip code in the location field. Alright, browse through the list of available jobs that pop up. Pay close attention to the job title, location, and a brief summary of the job description. Once you find a position that interests you, click on it. This takes you to the detailed job description. Take your time to read through everything, ensuring that you meet the requirements and understand the responsibilities. If you're ready to become part of the Taco Bell team, click the Apply Now button. Get ready to fill out the application form. Be prepared to provide personal information like your name, address, phone number, and email address. Double-check every entry to ensure accuracy. This section is super important. Carefully list your previous work experience. Starting with your most recent job, include the company name, your job title, dates of employment, and a brief description of your responsibilities. Even if it's not food service, any experience shows you're reliable. If you have a resume, this is the time to upload it. While it's not always required, a well-written resume can significantly improve your chances. Make sure it's saved as a PDF or Word document. Before submitting, review your entire application one last time. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then hit that submit button. Congratulations! You've officially applied to Taco Bell now. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Good luck, and hopefully, you'll be saying yo quiero Taco Bell as an employee very soon.